In this video, I'm going to show you how I have set up to invite members into my group. Currently, Heartbeat is, there is no real landing page, I guess we can say. There's no true landing page that allows someone to either log in or join your group. And we have to do it by sending out invitation links, but this can create a little bit of confusion. So I thought I would just explain how I have mine set up for now. And I know there's a feature request out there to create more of like a homepage or landing page. But for right now, this is what I'm doing. And it also sets things up so that if something changes in the future, it's not going to break how you did it today. So, if you don't know me yet, I'm Misty Dorman from mistydorman.com and lifeninjatraining.com. I help overwhelmed entrepreneurs implement systems, strategies, tools, and tech to save time and mental calories growing their biz. If you want more of these types of videos, please leave your vote by giving it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. It really is the best compliment you can give me, and it helps boost the algorithm so I can reach more people with these great tips. Now, if you are not familiar with it, the Heartbeat community platform is similar to Circle, Mighty Networks, or Tribe, but it's kind of the new kid on the block. You're probably on the wrong video if you do not have Heartbeat yet. So if you don't have Heartbeat yet, there's a link for you below. And I do have a full review walkthrough video. So with that being said, let's get started on this. So I can't really show you my invitation link page because there are some private invitation links in there that I don't want just the general public having access to, that I use for my paid membership, Life Ninja Academy. But in the invitation link setup in your admin area, the way I have mine set up is that in order to come into my free community, it's going to also put you in a group. I have that one called Ninjapreneurs because my group is Life Ninjas. So for you, it would be just whatever your target audience is. And this is how I have it set up for my free group that anyone can access. Okay, so I'm going to talk through that first. And then that is not the link that I give out to anyone. I do not share this invitation link. I just have it set up, okay, so that I can use it. What I do share is a redirect link that I created in WordPress. So I use a plugin called Redirection, or I know some people use one called Pretty Links that makes it so that you can create your own links. So for example, my website is mistydorman.com. The redirect link that I have created is mistydorman.com/free community. That is the link I give everyone. And the reason I have this redirect link set up is because I can point that to redirect them to any website that I want. And currently, let me show you where I'm sending it. Okay, so mistydorman.com slash, oops, it helps if I can type properly, slash free community. Had my fingers on the wrong key. Okay, so this is what my page looks like right now. I'm thinking about moving these buttons down, but basically this is my own sort of landing page for the community. So I can share out mistydorman.com/free community anywhere. I can put it in like a hello bar banner at the top of my website. I can put it in any blog post. I can put it in any email. And it doesn't matter if they've joined my group before or not. They can click it and they'll be able to log into the group, or they'll be able to join. So hopefully they know if they're a member of my group already or not. But if they don't, that invitation link, it really only works for someone who is not already a member of the community. Okay, so this gives them the option of which direction they're going to go. And in case someone who's not already part of my community or on my email list or has seen my stuff before, maybe they just come in off of a Google search somehow. or a YouTube video, right? And they haven't actually signed up for my email list or anything like that. This just gives an explanation of who our community is for. So it's Life Ninjas community. Our community is for entrepreneurs who are ready to encourage each other, step up their game, get their crap together, take messy, sometimes imperfect, but also intentional action and do the dang thing, right? You need systems and support in place to help you be successful, and we're going to help you with that. If you can relate to that, I can't wait to see you there. Okay. So this is me just explaining, because if someone does not relate to this, I don't need them in my community and they don't need to be there. It would waste their time. Right. And then I just have a note for my paying subscribers. If you're an active Life Ninja Academy member and you don't see access to your resources inside of the community, please email me and we'll fix it. Right. So that's just kind of like a fail safe for those people. And those people, they do get a lot of my general emails that go out to people who don't have access to their special group. So there's a great chance they may also click on the free community link at some point, which would send them to this page. So even though they have like an upgraded access, they can still come here and click the login button and it will take them to the right place. Okay. So these buttons, the join here goes to my invite link. That is tied to the invite link. So it will take them through the onboarding process, and the login button takes them to my actual community page. So I have set up the to use my own domain for my community, and this just takes them right to that page. So let me see if I can actually, if I open a different window, it's not going to work because I'm not screen sharing any other windows, but that would just take them right in. If they're not logged in already, then it will prompt them to log in, basically. Okay, so that is how that is all set up. And like I said, in the future, if Heartbeat adds in the ability to have like a homepage landing page, and I want to send them to the new landing page instead, all I have to do is change my redirect link, not to come here to lifeninjatraining.com/community, but instead to point to the new landing page, which most likely would actually be this page right here, my domain for Heartbeat. I hope that helps with that. Now, for my paying members, I actually am not using Heartbeat's payment processor, because I had my membership long before Heartbeat was a tool that I was using for my community. And so I have my members paying through my course platform, and then I have to do some things to get them access into the community. So what I'm doing there, my daughter just popped in, so I had to pause for a second. But so the way that I have it set up is when they pay through my external payment processor, I do some things with Zapier to make sure that they get access. So there's basically one of two situations that could be happening. Situation one is, this is a brand new person who maybe has had access to other things of mine, but maybe they never joined my community at all. And the way I have my community set up is that they should have access to the free stuff. They should be in the Ninjapreneurs group and see all of my free stuff, but they should also have access to more stuff, which means they need to be in my Life Ninja Academy group for paying members so that they can see more threads, more docs, that type of thing. And so, so if they have never, ever, ever joined my community, they're going to need to go to, they're going to need to use the invite link. I am sending them the invite link in their first initial welcome email. After that, I don't send them the invite link ever again. They need to go and join right away through their welcome email. If they have trouble later, I can manually add them. Or they can actually join my free community, and we can make sure that they have the proper access. I can even have Zapier set up when someone joins the free community to check and see if they should also have access to the paid communities group and stuff. So there's some things that can happen that way, but I only send the invite link in that very first email. Now, is there some chance that that invite link could get shared out to someone else and they could suddenly have access? Yes, and that's a problem. So what I do is I have Zapier set up to double check. Now, my course platform is Kartra. And Kartra is like an all-in-one tool, and it also has the email autoresponder, and I can tag people with different access tags and that type of thing. So the way I have Zapier set up is when someone clicks that invite link and goes and joins the community, Zapier is double checking, should this person have access? Does this person have the access, the Life Ninja Academy access tag over in Kartra? If they don't, they are not an active paying member right now. Maybe they even canceled their membership and then they later tried to click the invite link. Like, you don't know what people might do, right? So it's just double checking. Do they have the access tag? Are they an active student right now in Life Ninja Academy? If so, cool. If not, get them out of this group in heartbeat. Okay. So Zapier is taking care of that for me, which is awesome. Now, the other scenario would be that they are already in my free community and they need access to the paid community. So I also have a Zap set up that says, did someone just join Life Ninja Academy, right? Did they just get this student tag in Kartra? If so, go and find them in Heartbeat, okay? And if you find them in Heartbeat, then add them to this group. So Zapier's just doing it for them. So the second part of giving them the invite link in my email, I'm saying if you've never joined the Life Ninja community before, click this link, right? But if you're already a member of the community, wait a few minutes and then you should start to see access to all of the special Life Ninja Academy resources that are in the community. If you don't, hit reply to this email and I'll take care of it for you. Okay, so that's how I'm doing it for my free group and my paid group. I hope that helps you. I'm sure that things will change as Heartbeat keeps changing their features and getting requests and whatnot. But right now, as of June 2022, this is what's working for me. And feel free to let me know if you have some other way that you're doing it that is working great for you. I'd love to hear that in the comments. Or if you have any additional ideas or if this helps you, let me know. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to check the description below for any resources. I've got some different Heartbeat resources that might be able to help you. And I will see you next time, Ninja. Bye.